Assalamu alaikum. In the previous episode, we had discussed the counting of numbers from 1 to 10 and the basic rules for anyone who want to count persons, things, objects, and even ideas. Today, what I want us to do is to see the differences between counting of male or masculine nouns and feminine nouns. What we had done previously, if you look at the board, you will see thalathatu abna'in, and you will now see on the other side thalathu banatin. Then you see arba'atu aqlamin, and on this side you will see arba'u ghurafin. Do you notice any difference? Of course, you will notice that here, the first part we have thalathatu abna'in. Why do we have thalathatu here? And on this side we have thalathu. What is the difference between thalathatu and thalathu? The difference is that when you are counting masculine nouns or masculine objects or persons, you are going to be using thalathatu with the ta'un marbut, that is the closed ta. That is why I say thalathatu abna'in, which means three sons or three children, that is male children. But when we're talking about daughters or female children, what do I say? Thalathu banatin. So thalatha to the ta'u marbut with this thalatha with ta'u marbut will be for the masculine nouns when counting masculine words. But the salasu without the ta'u marbut is the one to be used for feminine nouns. Here you can bring a lot of more examples. An example, you can say sab'atu tullabin, 7 students, and you will say sab'u talibatin, 7 female students. The sab'atu is used for male students and the sab'u is used for female students. The same goes for numbers from 3 to 10. Now, when we're talking about numbers 1 and 2, it is also very easy. You have wahidun for 1, that is when you have a male, a masculine. But here, wahidatun with the ta'u marbut, that is the one you use for the feminine noun. So, wahidatun for feminine and wahidun for masculine. Ithnani for feminine and ithnatani for ithnani for masculine and ithnatani for feminine. So, another point to note here is that when you come to 8, when you say thamaniyatu tullabin, when you come to that is 8 male students. If you want to say 8 female students, it will now be thamani talibatin. So the thamani, the ya will have sukun. Thamani talibatin, 8 female students. Another point to note is the ashara, that is the 10. We have asharatu and we have ashuru. The asharatu with the shin carrying fatha, asharatu ending with ta'un, this is used for the masculine. That is why we say asharatu tullabin, 10 male students. And when we come to female students, we say ashuru talibatin. This, coupled with the previous lesson, will make you understand how to count from 1 to 10. And basically, or summarily, I will say that the basic rules which we have learned in counting from 1 to 10 is that the first rule says that the numbers will be coming in opposites. So thalathatu, which have ta, the ta'u marbut originally will signify feminism, but this feminism ta'un will now be for masculine nouns. Then the one without the with the ta'u marbut, without the ta'u marbut, is the one for the females or for the feminine words. Another rule is that when counting from 3 to 10, all of the things you'll be counting will now be in the plurals. Abna, banat, rijal, nisa. So they will now be in the plural. Another rule is that what you are counting after 3 to 10 will be coming as the mudafun ilayhi, that is carrying kasra. That's why you have thalathatu rijalin, 3 men, and thalathu banatin. Another rule is that asharatu is used for masculine and ashru with sukun is used for feminine. And thamaniyatu is used for masculine, and thamani is used for feminine. With this, let's dive into the topic so we can learn from this conversation between Layla and Salma. And this is lesson Ad-Darsul Ishrun, lesson 20 of the book Durusul Lughat al-Arabiyya Liqaidina Takina Biha. Let's begin. Layla says, Ya Salma, oh Salma, afi faslika talibatin min as-Sin wal Yabani. Do you have in your class, are there female students from China and Japan? This is a question. Salma responded saying, Naam, yes. Fi faslina, in our class, khamsu talibatin. There are 5 female students. You can see talibat, female students. So we use khamsu, not khamsatu. Minasin from China, wa arba'u talibatin, and 4 female students, not arba'atu, minal Yabani, from Japan. Wa thamani talibatin, you can see samani with the ya carrying sukun. Wa thamani talibatin min Indonesia, and 8 female students from Indonesia. Layla said, وَفِي فَصْلِنَا ثَلَاثُ طَالِبَاتٍ مِنَ الْهِنْدِ, and in our class there are 3 female students, ثَلَاثُ طَالِبَاتٍ مِنَ الْهِنْدِ, from India. وَسِتُّ طَالِبَاتٍ, and 6 female students, مِنَ الْفِلِّبِينِ, from Philippines. وَسَبْعُ طَالِبَاتٍ مِنْ Turkey, and 7 female students from Turkey. Salma said, Kam ukhtan laki ya Layla. How many sisters do you have, oh Layla? Layla says, Layla says, Li thalathu akhawatin. I have 3 sisters. So Li ukhtun, plural form of akhawatun, plural form of ukhtun. That is a feminine word. So we use thalathu akhawatin, 3 sisters. Salma said, Wakam akhun lak, and how many brothers do you have? And she says, Li khamsatu ikhwatin. I have 5 brothers. You can see ikhwa is the plural form of akhun, and akhun is a masculine word. Therefore, we use the other one, which is khamsatu. Now, Salma said, Laki thalathu akhwatin. You have 3 brothers, 3 sisters, wa khamsatu ikhwatin, and 5 sisters, and 5 what? Brothers. You have 3 sisters and 5 brothers. Layla said, Naam, yes. Wakam akhon wa ukhtan lak. And how many brothers and sisters do you have? Salma said, Li arba'atu ikhwatin. I have 4 brothers. Wa arba'u akhawat. You can see the changes. Arba'atu, arba'u. And 4 sisters. Layla said, Li zamilatun ismuha Khadija. I have a partner. Her name is Khadija. Laha thamaniyatu ikhwatin. She has 8 brothers. Wa thamani akhawatin, and 8 sisters, 16 siblings. Wow. Laha thamaniyatu ikhwatin wa thamani akhawatin. This is very easy, mashallah. Now let's go on to tamarin exercises to better our understanding. The first instruction says, Iqra, work to read and write. We have thalathu talibatin, 3 female students. Arba'u talibatin, 4 female students. Khamsu talibatin, 5 female students. Sittu talibatin, 6. Sab'u talibatin, 7. Thamani talibatin, 8 female students. Tis'u talibatin, then ashuru talibatin. MashaAllah. At Tamrin of exercise number 2, the instruction says, Iqra, work to read and write again. Fi baytina thalathu ghurafin. In our house, there are 3 rooms. So why do we say thalathu and not thalatun? Because ghurafatun is a feminine word, and the plural form of ghurafatun is ghuraf. Therefore, we say thalathu ghurafin. Number 2, fil jami'ati ashuru hafilatin. In the university, there are 10 buses. Ashuru hafilatin. Next, fi hadhihi al-madrasati thamani madrasatin mudarrisatin. In this school, there are 8 female teachers. Next, Abbasul lahu sab'u banatin. Abbas has 7 daughters. 5, fi baytina tis'u dajajatin. In our house, there are 9 hens, 9 hens, mashallah. Number 6, fil jami'ati khamsu kulliyatin. In the university, there are 5 colleges. Number 7, fil mustashfa ashru tabibatin wa arba'u mumarridatin. In the hospital, there are 10 female doctors and 4 female nurses. Number 8, we have Khalidun lahu thalathatu abnain. Khalid has 3 sons wa arba'u banatin and 4 daughters. Number 9, we have li khamsatu ikhwatin. I have 5 brothers. Wasittu akhawatin and 6 sisters. Number 10, we have fi hadha al-kitabi asharatu durusin. In this book, there are 10 lessons. Number 11, we have lana arba'atu a'mamin. We have 4 paternal uncles. Wa khamsu ammatin and 5 paternal aunts. Number 12, we have fi baladi khamsu jami'atin. In our town, there are 5 universities. Number 13, we have fi dhalika darsi. In that lesson, thamani kalimatin jadidatin. There are 8 new words. Number 14, we have indi thalathatu majallatin. I have 3 magazines. At-tamrin al-thalis, exercise number 3. The instruction says ajib anil as'ilatil atiya. Answer the following questions musta'amilan al-adad al-madhkur bayna qawsayn, using the numbers found in the parentheses. So here we have number 1, kam akhon lak. How many brothers do you have? We can see 6 here, so we say li sittatu ikhwatin. I have 6 brothers. Number 2, we have kam ukhtan lak. How many sisters do you have? We say li khamsu akhawatin. So we are using khamsu here because akhawat is a feminine word. Number 3, we have kam baqaratan fil haqli. How many cow is in the farm or in the field? So we say fihi, in it, ashuru baqaratin. There are 10 cows. Number 4, we have kam talibatan jadidatan fil fasli. How many new students are in the class? We say fihi tis'u talibatin jadidatin. In it, there are 9 female new students. Number 5, we have kam tabibatan fi mustashfa al-wilada. How many female doctors are in the is it delivery hospital? How do you call it? Is it maternity? In the maternity hospital, how many female doctors are in the maternity hospital? So we say fiha, in it, there are samani tabibatin. There are 8 doctors, 8 female doctors. Number 6, we have kam hafilatan fil jami'a. How many boys are in university? So we say fiha sittu hafilatin. There are 6 buses in it. Number 7, we have kam ibna lak. How many sons do we have? We say li arba'atu abna'in. 8, kam bintan lak. How many daughters do you have? We say li sab'u banatin. I have 7 daughters. Number 9, we have kam jami'atin fi baladik. How many universities are in your town? We say fihi thalathu jami'atin. There are 3 universities there. Number 10, kam kitaban indak. How many books do you have? We say li thamaniyatu kutubin. MashaAllah. Tamrin al-Arabic, exercise number 4. The instruction says iqra al-jumal al-atiya. Read the following sentences. Waktubaha, and rewrite it ma'a kitabat al-adad al-warida fiha bil-huruf. By writing, read the following sentences and rewrite it, making sure that you write the figures which are here in words. Here we have figures from 3 to 10. All these figures, we have to rewrite them in words now. Number 1, we have li, then you see 4, ikhwatu, then you see 3, akhawat. So how do you read this? You say li arba'atu ikhwatin wa thalathu akhawatin. You need to be very careful because you need to alternate the arba'atu and the arba'u. Arba'atu for masculine, arba'u for feminine. Number 2, we have Muhammadun lahu khamsatu abna'in wa thamani banatin. Muhammad has 5 sons and 8 daughters. Number 3, we have indi asharatu kutubin wa sabi'u majallatin. I have 10 books and 7 magazines. Number 4, we have fil mustashfa tis'u طبيبات وست ممرضات. In the hospital, there are 9 female doctors and 6 female nurses. Number 5, we have عندي أربعة قمصان. I have 4 shirts. Number 6, لهذه السيارة what? أربعة أبواب. This car has 4 doors. Number 7, في هذه الكلمة 5 حروف. In this word, there are 5 letters. Number 8, في مدرستنا 8 مدرسات. In our school, there are 8 female teachers. Number 9, we have في بيتنا 10 رجال وعشر نساء. In our house, there are 10 men and 10 women. Number 10, and lastly, we have ذهب أبي إلى الرياض قبل 3 أيام. My father went to Riyadh before or 3 days ago. Now, exercise number 5, the instruction says اكتب الأعداد, that means 3 إلى 10. Write the numbers from 3 to 10 in words. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. We have to write this down. وَاجْعَلْ كُلَّ مِنَ الْكَلِمَاتِ الْآتِيَةِ مَعْدُودًا لَهُ. Then the following words, here we have 6 words: سيارة, أخت, طالبة, مجلة, بنت, ساعة. These following words, we are to count these following words using the numbers which we have written. So let's give an example. We can pick 3 as an example, and we say ثلاث سيارات 1, ثلاث أخوات, ثلاث طالبات, ثلاث مجلات, ثلاث بنات, ثلاث ساعات. This is 3. We can also use 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in this manner. So if you want to use 10, we simply say أشر سيارات, أشر أخوات, أشر طالبات, أشر مجلات, أشر بنات, أشر ساعات. So make sure you solve this by yourself. Now we come to al-kalimatul jadida, the new vocabulary, new words which you have learned today. The first one is al-majallatu, which means magazine, and the plural form of this is majallat. Then we have al-harufu, which means letter. We have jim huruf, which means letters, meaning alphabets. We have Indonesia, that is Indonesia. Then we have al-kalimatu, the word, and jamu kalimatu, words. With this, we come to the end of this lesson, where we have been able to explain the adad, that is the numbering and the numbers, how to count from 3 to 10, and also the alternating of the numbers, of numbers carrying ta marbut and the ones without ta marbut. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to grant us understanding. For those of us who would want to get this book, you can purchase it, so you can always follow us, or you click on the link below to download it as a soft copy, or you can even go for the English version on Amazon with the link below to buy yours. Make sure you like, share with your friends, and drop a comment at the comment section. Solve all of this exercises by yourself, and do not forget to subscribe to our membership, so that will be of support to us, and you can get to have the members only page and the members only content. Until we meet again, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.